In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add categories in Apple Calendar. First, open the Calendar app on your iPhone or iPad. You will see a clean interface with all your upcoming events displayed. This app is designed for ease of use, making it simple to manage your schedule. By starting here, you set the stage for organizing your events into different categories. This is important because it allows you to differentiate between various aspects of your life, like work and personal commitments. Next, tap Calendars at the bottom of the screen. This will bring up a list of all your existing calendars. Here, you can see how your events are currently organized. It's a straightforward way to access the management options for your calendars. By tapping this, you also prepare to create new categories that will help streamline your scheduling process. From there, tap Add Calendar. This is a crucial step where you begin to create a new category. You will see a prompt that allows you to start inputting the details for your new calendar. It's a straightforward move that opens up new possibilities for organizing your events. This is where you lay the groundwork for a more organized calendar experience. After that, tap Add Calendar again. This may seem repetitive, but it ensures that you are in the right place to create your new calendar. You will be taken to a screen where you can enter the specifics of this new category. This step is essential because it confirms your intention to add a new category rather than making any changes to existing ones. Now enter a category name such as work or personal. This is where your creativity comes in as you decide how to label your new calendar. Choosing meaningful names is important because it directly impacts how you view and manage your time. A clear name can help you quickly recognize what each category represents. Keep in mind that this step is significant for clarity in your scheduling efforts. Next, choose a color. This adds a visual element to your calendar that can help you quickly distinguish between different categories at a glance. The color coding system makes your calendar not only more functional but also visually appealing. Selecting a color that resonates with you can make your calendar feel more personalized and easier to navigate. Finally, tap Done. This action wraps up the process of creating your new calendar category. You should see your new category appear in the list, confirming that your changes have been saved. This moment is rewarding as you see the results of your work. You have effectively set up a system that organizes your events by category. When creating or editing an event, tap Calendar and select the category or calendar you want. This step is crucial because it allows you to assign your events to the specific categories you just created. By doing this, you ensure that your events are organized according to your personal or professional needs. This level of organization is vital for maintaining a balanced schedule and ensuring that you allocate time appropriately across different areas of your life. In summary, you have now learned how to add categories in Apple Calendar. By creating multiple calendars, you can easily manage your events in a way that suits your lifestyle. This simple method can save you time and reduce stress as you navigate your daily commitments. Thank you for watching and enjoy your newly organized calendar.